How to add Spotify to Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can add Spotify to your Discord account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically add Spotify to Discord, open up the Discord application and then just make sure that you're signed into the account. Then come to the profile tab. From the bottom right you'll find the option called connections over here. Now if you don't find this connections tab, you can also tap the gear icon from the top right. Then from here you can go to connections. Now in my case I've already added Spotify, but if you haven't added, you can tap the add option from the very top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can simply scroll down and select Spotify. Then it will just take you to the page where you can go ahead and then basically log into your account. And once you log into your account, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically connecting your Spotify to Discord. This way you can add Spotify to Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.